lot of people wonder if eye cream is necessary. Can't I just use my moisturizer under my eyes? Hey, what's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora Beauty Director, and today we're talking about clinical skincare. So these are some of my favorite skincare products that are backed by science and also by their results. So I'm going to show you why I love them, how they work. Let's jump in. What I really like about clinical skincare products is that they're backed by science, you get proven results, and when you have active acne, it can become really frustrating to try so many things and figure out what works. I know I've had a long journey with my skin. I used to have pretty bad acne, and I've found my way to clearing it up, and one of the biggest things that's helped me was exfoliating. So this is from Dermalogica. It's the Daily Microfoliant Exfoliator. Basically, when you exfoliate your skin, you're taking all of the dead skin off the surface so everything else you use can work better. This is actually a really cool format because it's actually like a rice enzyme powder. So you can take just like a dime size amount in your hands, and you'll see it's just like a powder like that. I have some water next to me. Obviously, if you're at home, you can use your sink, but you can kind of just wet that, and then it works into a little bit of a sud like that. I'm gonna grab a little bit more water, and then I can start working this into my skin. So this has salicylic acid in it, which we know is really great for targeting those acne spots, but it also has colloidal oatmeal in it, which is awesome because it's going to soothe your skin simultaneously, which is really important. When you have acne or any spots, it's like your skin's a little angry, it needs a little love, and this will do both for you. What's also really nice about this is that you can actually leave it on a few extra minutes and kind of wear it as a mask. Let the ingredients dig even deeper and do some better work. Really helps with brightening. Once you work that in, you're feeling good, you can go ahead and rinse it off. I'm going to be using just a damp towel. All right, so next we want to talk about brightening. This is from Caudalie. It's the Vino Perfect Radiance Dark Spot Serum. As you can imagine, when you experience a lot of acne, you're going to have some spots left over, and this is really going to help with brightening those. But also what I've noticed is when I go in the sun, I tend to get, you can kind of even see on my forehead here, like a little bit of dark spots that pop up. This helps a lot with that. I mean, I wear sunscreen and everything, I do the hat, but you know, it still happens, it's inevitable. So I'm gonna pop a little bit into my hand, maybe a dime size amount, and split it between the two, and we're just gonna press this into our skin. What I like about this formula, it's actually a really nice alternative to vitamin C. And believe it or not, it's actually 62 times more effective at brightening than vitamin C, which is great for me because my skin tends to be a little sensitive to vitamin C, so I love using this. I don't have to worry about it, and it gets the job done for me. So in addition to an exfoliator, one of the biggest things that I realized in my routine that's so necessary is a moisturizer. I know it sounds obvious, but I always thought I had oily skin, and in fact, it was very dry. This is one of my favorites. It's from Sephora Collection, one of my favorite brands, always really affordable, and it doesn't break the bank, and it does the job. This is the All Day Hydrator Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a non-negotiable in my routine. It just helps plump up your skin, really gets the moisture in. It also has natural vitamin E oils, which is an antioxidant, so it's gonna do a lot for your skin, protect your skin, hydrate your skin all day, all night. You can use this on your face, your neck. It's really just a great go-to. All right, we can't forget eye cream. I feel like especially, I just turned 30. Going into my 30s, I feel like the eye area is something that I'm really focused on, and I've been loving this one from Kiehl's. This is the Super Multi-Corrective Eye Treatment. What I like about it is that you can use it 360, and it kind of targets everything. So those dark circles, any fine lines or wrinkles, and getting that like nice moisture that plumps it up. So like those fine lines almost disappear. I always like to use my ring finger because it has the lightest touch. Just split it between the two, and then I'm gonna start tapping from the outside. I kind of move inward, and then you can bring it up around your brow bone. A lot of people wonder if eye cream is necessary. Can't I just use my moisturizer under my eyes? But the skin around your eye is actually much different and much thinner than the rest of your skin. So having a thicker, more like luxurious formula really makes a difference for plumping that up. So this has niacinamide and collagen peptides, which is really gonna help with plumping up and smoothing out those fine lines and wrinkles, the crow's feet area. It also addresses puffiness under the eye, and then it gives your brows like a very lifted effect. So the skin gods have blessed me. I don't have any active acne at the moment, but they still pop up every so often and definitely used to all the time. One of my favorite go-tos for that is from Peace Out Acne, and this is the salicylic acid acne healing dots. These are so awesome. So they come in this little box, and then inside you get a couple packets of them. So you can open it up, and inside you'll get 2 little sleeves of the acne dots, like that. So these are packed with salicylic acid, so it's going to really help to treat that acne or little zit that you're popping out on top of, and it's also filled with aloe vera, so it's gonna help soothe your breakout. You will go to sleep, it'll do the work for you overnight. You wake up in the morning, take it off, and you can kind of see like it extracts something from your skin. It's oddly satisfying, and I noticed that the redness, the puffiness of the breakout goes down quite a bit, so these are my best friends. All right, so that is an entire skin routine built around some amazing products that have really helped me in my skincare journey. They're also backed by science and results, so you know you're gonna get the results that you're going after. Make sure to like this video to show me some love and subscribe so you can see more from us, and I'll see you next time. Bye.